So red, yellow, green is a deliverable that we produce for fiber companies using our software Azimuth. So how that looks, we go map an entire city with new street level imagery. Our designers then shoot every single power pole that they see, and they classify those poles once they take measurements on them as red, yellow, or green. Green is going to be an inexpensive pole to attach to. That means there's no make ready required. Yellow means that there's communication make ready required, so it's going to be moderately expensive. Red is going to be power make ready required, which means that it's going to be a pretty expensive pole for a fiber company to attach a new communication cable onto these poles. The end deliverable, you get an entire map back of an entire city that has every pole location on it with very accurate measurements. And you can see, if I go this road here, all these poles are green, so that would be inexpensive to attach to. Whereas this road over here, all the poles are red, and so that's going to be a very expensive route to attach to. Maybe it makes more sense to go underground this way. So from a planning perspective, it's an extremely valuable tool.